Master Lock Corporation. What's up? I'm a pissed off customer of your locks. This is the type of lock that you need to outsource. This model lock, I bought it. Anti-shim, and I tried the shim and everything like that. I know the combination of this lock and that's it. If a Japanese company is interested in buying the Master Lock company, I will appreciate that, because if I favor American workers, but this time with this lock I favor of killing American jobs. Why I favor killing American jobs? Because this lock, when I bought it, was made in the USA. It's supposed to work. That's the company, Master Lock company. Master Lock. Do me a favor, outsource this lock model that was produced in the US. Outsource the production to Japan. If you do outsource production to Japan, I'll buy this lock, but the one that is made in Japan, and I'm gonna throw this one away. And for Japanese companies that favor of my thoughts of what I say about this lock, please buy Master Lock. If you buy Master Lock and you check all these locks and you check the factory in the USA that makes the locks, you fire 100% of all American workers just to send this lock to be manufactured in Japan. Thank you very much.